It's about how we take care of our customers. It's really providing that level of service that separates us from many others in the industry. I think it means we take care of them, their home, and they can really count on us.
I think what red carpet service means is a cut above the rest. We're always going to go the additional length to make sure the customer is satisfied beyond their beliefs.
Crisafulli Brothers really is just not a break-fix company. It's not about just going in and making the repair. It's going in and looking at the whole system and seeing what solution that customer really needs. They're going to be different than their neighbor or their friend across the street. Their solution is going to be different than anyone else's.
In order to provide customers with a complete solution for their home, you have to do a complete evaluation of the system, not just the broken box or broken widget, but actually looking into their home, how they use it, how they live in it, are there allergies, are there cold rooms, are there warm rooms, and finding a solution that addresses all of those concerns in one visit so that a customer has a comprehensive experience with us.
It's a matter of building value. You're not just paying for the repair, you're paying for the service. You're paying for it to be done and done correctly.
So red carpet service is a contract that we give to our customers, and it gives you benefits throughout a year period. So it's going to give you like no overtime rates, priority status, which is a huge one, 10% off the total of each bill anytime that you call in for repair. So it protects the home, protects the customer, and also the equipment as well.
Our technicians offer options. They're not, there to sell. They're there to really provide options for our customers.
There's always a solution out there for that customer, and we really try to strive to find that best one for them and just make them really happy. We want the experience to be great.
They should expect to be completely blown away by our willingness to make them happy and their home environment happy at a value that they're completely agreeable with.
Red Carpet is giving that customer service from, answering the phone, from talking to me as a CSR, then the technician actually going to the home property and giving his all and checking out to make sure the home is sound.
The experience with Crisafulli Brothers and the red carpet treatment we provide really separates us. And it starts with the way the technician approaches the customer when they arrive at their home, right until they're presenting them with their invoice at the time of leaving. And I think our customers really feel like they made the right decision, and they can feel comfortable and really trust that they were taken care of.
From the receptionist through the CSR to the dispatcher to the service technician to the follow-up happy call from the same CSR that booked their appointment, I hope they feel that red carpet service the entire breadth of their experience with us.